I'll stop you right there. I'm not joining TikTok because I bought a ring light. I bought it because it's a light source, right? So let's unbox the biggest unboxing of our channel right now. Here it is. Now visible. This is gonna be the biggest unboxing of our channel. So let's tear it down. By the way, I have some concerns with Amazon's delivery right here. There are some holes and patches which I did not expect when I ordered through Prime even. So finally we have ripped through it. Here's the box, and inside the box here's our ring light. So it's Digitek's 15-inch RGB ring light. It has got 4 color modes: warm and pure white and cool white, and also the RGB with several different effects. So getting inside of the ring light, it's about 15-inch and has 30-watt power, and also has 148 pieces of LEDs. So let's get inside the package right now. Here goes our ring light. Here is our stand. So that's all in the content of the box. Here is our stand. It's pretty much heavy. It's 5 feet in height. So let's pick out. Yes, it is. Here it is, the Digitek inverted stand. Actually, it's kind of inverted when you open it right here. Here you go. Digitek's 5 feet stand. Has got 4 knobs right here, which are pretty much sturdy. Like, yeah, 3 knobs, I guess. Yes, 3 knobs. It's 5 feet height. It should be basically easy to use, and it has got several height adjustments you can do. I say the stand is very durable. I'm pretty much fascinated by this quality, and it's quite heavy, so the ring light does not move and remains sturdy. It has got all the branding of Digitek, and it has a quite sturdy system here. All the clamps are of good quality, and I appreciate the quality that Digitek has delivered on its stand. Let's open the ring light, but if you're enjoying the video, a sub to the channel will be delightful. So here is our ring light, the main show. It comes with a remote which has our controls. There are typical 6 buttons out here which says up, down, and on, off, and LED effects. This comes with a 5 volts USB type thing, so you need an adapter to run this thing, like your normal charger adapter. So here is the basic installation or usage guide, which we don't really use. So here it is, the ring light, and with it comes a placeholder. You can hold your phone right here. It is pretty flexible. You also got 2 other ports so that you can fix your other cameras or other tripods, whichever mounts you want, you can fix it up there. So it has also got a ball point here, ball head, which is easy to, like, you can rotate it 360 degrees, and you can fix it at any point with this help of screw. So let me switch on to this ring light and show you. So here's the time we switch on this. I have connected to our daily use charger adapter, and here go. Oh, it feels phenomenal. Like, it's like warm white color, and you can change the mode. You can turn it down the brightness or increase the brightness with the help of this attached remote, and change to this white light and then this warm light. There are 3 modes: this blue cool light, this is normal white, this is the golden one, the sunset type of. And we also have the RGB modes here. Let's switch to RGB modes. Here are some of the RGB modes right here. We also have like definite. You can also set like the RGB colors right here. This is the purple, rotate, colors, and much more. You can have fun with it, and that's how you unbox a ring light. So that was all for today. As I said, a sub to the channel would be delightful. Don't forget to hit the like button there, share with your friends, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you want to see next. My name is Zaman. You're watching How To. I'll catch you in the next one.